Hey guys, welcome. I thought I'd do a little quick video because I'm using Final Cut Pro to do my editing, and as part of my wanting to get a real cinematic look with the Panasonic Lumix G7, I'm going through all these settings quite comprehensively with some of these videos, and I'm going to be sort of sharing them as I find what it is I need to do. So this is to give the cinematic letterbox look that you see so often. So the way to do that is reasonably straightforward, and as I mentioned, I'm doing this in Final Cut Pro. So once you open up and you've got your timeline open, just drop a bit of footage in there, come over to the effects window over here and just search, type in letter, and it'll come up over there. Click on that and then just simply drag it to your clip and drop it over there. So now you can see two tiny little lines have actually appeared there, but what we need to do is change this aspect ratio to 235, and that gives you the preset format. You don't have to tweak anything else. If you've got only one clip that you're going to be using, as in this case, and you maybe want the thing to be centered a little more, then you can play around with this if you want to, but I'm going to just, for the purpose of this tutorial, just leave it as is, and that is it. It is as simple as that, and there you go, bang. And you can see already it just looks so much better. So look guys, I hope you enjoyed that and it makes sense, and we will catch up in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.